MINDA is into auto ancillary manufacturing and sales to the OEMs globally. And if you know any OEMs in India or outside India, I mean we are catering to all of them. We are basically into safety parts, functional parts. Our group turnover is around 10,000 crores now, which is around 1.3 billion USD, and we cater to the geographies like European Union, US, South America, Southeast Asian countries, and obviously in India. India being our majority of operations, we are obviously having the maximum number of locations in India.
All the project management things, the governance was in haywire, everything was done manually. And then I realized that we need to have a product actually that which can bring in the project governance in place. And then I started evaluating few of the products, and rather we did POC with some other products like Microsoft Project Online, then Liquid Planner and Symphony, and Zoho was one of them. And then we realized that this is product which is very easy to use, and it's a cloud-based, internet-based portal. So did all the evaluation and finally we zeroed down on Zoho Projects.
We were interested into going into certain project management solutions, and we evaluated many of them. Finally, we selected Zoho because of its lightweight, easy to use, and faster deployment across the globe. When we embark the journey on Zoho, the basic problems what we are facing is management visibility. The management was not able to understand where the bandwidth is getting choked, how many projects you are doing, what is your ratio of support and projects, and how do you synchronize between the other departments, coherence of all the things were there. So when you put everything into a single platform and people start getting alerts, SMS, mails and something like that, the collaboration piece was very easily done. And then the reporting becomes easier because you have a single platform, single source of truth, and when you present this to the management, everybody understands and talks the same language. That's what I think the biggest advantage we got after implementing Zoho. I will say, Zoho has actually disrupted our project management process. Now, when you look at Zoho, it has actually disrupted the process, unified the process, brought every stakeholder into a single platform, and actually, helped in visibility in every step, and also workflows and escalations. Very, very important. So, my project management process, or we call it NPD process, new product development process. These are the two processes I think it helped in disrupting the entire business. Enterprise-wide, if you see, because of implementation of Zoho around, I think definitely 10% of our total workforce time has been saved because of this implementation.